Let's see what Uncle Johnny's up to. What you up to, Uncle Johnny?
Well, cleaning up,
Oh, I see.
cooking a duck, 3-4 duck.
Oh, we have duck over here, huh?
Yeah,
Let me go see this duck.
this is Thai style right here.
Oh,
This is like Lao style right here.
oh, okay.
This for my Uncle Dave right here.
Oh,
You
yeah.
might like this one. This spicy, over spicy Thai style.
Oh, it's really spicy, huh?
Yeah, over spice. There's a lot of spice in here. Muy Espanol say muy picante.
Picante.
See,
Okay.
see.
All right.
Yeah, this one perfect for
Us
my brother
Americans.
from New York, so he don't eat picante, he don't eat
Yeah.
spicy. So I give him this one.
Okay.
That way it's just mild taste.
Okay.
You know how American are.
Uh-huh.
They'll, oh, too hot.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thanks much.
Yeah,
Talk
come
to you
back.
later.
All right.
All right.